Before start to write the codes, run and check the calculator interface. The buttons are not working. We need to write code for that. Now start to write the code. Double click on 0. This is the text out text box. The value will display here. Then type that text box name txt out dot text equal txt out dot text and take the value 0 there. Run and see. 0 is working. Use the same methods to other buttons also. 0 to 9 can use the same method. Can copy this and paste. Change this number only 1. Then number 2 also. Number 2. Number 3. These are the codes for other buttons. Run and see whether it's working. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now the buttons are working properly. Next, write the code for the clear button. Double click. You can clear this text box. Type the text box name equal clear. You can type double quotes 0, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9. You can clear. Now for the decimal button, double click. Same code, you can just copy and paste here. Decimal you can't type, just dot within double quotes. You can type check clear. Write codes for the operators. Before that, you have to declare a variable div a as integer. Div is a keyword, dimension, that is a statement. A is a variable, this is an integer, it's a data type. Upcoming lessons, you will learn everything clearly. Now just remember these codes. Declare another variable for the sign div sign as string data type. Next, write the codes for the signs. Double click on the multiplication sign. You already declare a variable a. For that variable, you have to assign a temporary value. A equal txt out dot text. You can assign this output value to this temporary variable a. After that, the sign is equal asterisk. Then the output text box txt out dot text. Run use the same methods to other operators. Double click, can copy the same codes, copy and paste. Only change the sign. Now write code for equal sign before that. Declare a variable for the second value. You can type dim b as integer. This b is for the second value. Then equal sign. Here you are going to use the if statement, that is nested if else statement. That's very easy. B equal txt out dot text. That is the second value you are going to input in the text box. You have to add another value in the text box. Then write if statement. If the sign is equal to plus, then that text out box text have to add two values. That A is the first value and the B is the second value. Then you can take the sum. Next, else another statement. For that, you can copy and paste the same statement. Copy, paste. This one is for multiply. Then you can change the sign, only the sign. Next one, division. Next one, subtraction. This one we need the last, else no need that one. Then how many if statement you have open? 1, 2, 3, 4. Then close and 4 times. You can copy and paste or else just type. Now check the equal sign. Now the buttons are working properly. If you want to calculate decimal values, you have to change the data type. You can change this data type as double. Change that double. Now run and check. Now you can get the decimal value. This is the way to get the decimal value. Last one, error handling. For that, check all the buttons, whether the buttons are working properly. we already check all the signs and the numbers. Now first time when you are pressing the signs, what will happen and check? There is an error. You have to handle this error. Go to debug. This is the error. For that, just type a message. This is runtime error. Then on error, go to, this is multiplication sign. Then you can type any name and just type mul. Then that is easy for me. Then type mul. After that, type, you can type here down. After this quotes, you can type mul txt out dot. You have to take the cursor. When you press the sign multiplication, that cursor will go to that text box. Then you have to set focus. Then you can select. Then you have to exit that sub. Exit sub. Now check. Now no error. Then you can give, you can do, you can multiply. Like that, other sign also you can write. Copy and paste. Can change this to anything. You can give A, B, C, any name you can give. This one, cut and paste. After this, now check. There's no error. Now this calculator is working properly. You also create this calculator and check. Keep practicing. Good luck, children.